Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. If you're new, special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install QuillBot on your Windows PC or laptop. Now, you need to have a QuillBot account, and once you have an account, you can easily create one with, for example, your Google account if you have one. So if you head over to quillbot.com, you can sign up with your Gmail account. No, there's two ways how to actually get this, right? Or you can get it as an extension within your browser, and that saves you from really download it on your PC, right? So if you want to use it within, let's say, Google Chrome, you can always go ahead and head over to the Chrome store, right? Clicking the three dots on the upper right, then go down to extensions, click and visit the Chrome web store there and just simple type in Quillbot, right? And you will find it and you can add it. Now I have it on my browser, for example, my Google Chrome. And as you can see right there, it's just showing me to remove it from Chrome because I already have it, right? Now, some people may want to install it on their PC or other devices. And so once you have an account, you just want to sign in and you will see in the upper right, apps and extensions. Click that and so you can see right here that I have it added to Google Chrome right here. But here you can see that it's available for Windows, it's available for Safari, it's available for Word, Android, and even your iOS devices. So you can get it on your Mac, you can get it on your iPhone, you can get it on your Android device, Samsung, or whatever, whichever device you have that is supported with Android, you can get it there or you can just get it as an application directly on your PC if you don't want to run it in your browser, which is where we're focusing right now. So we click on QuillBot for Windows, open up a new tab. Then from here, as you can see as well, you can even get it from the web store, from the Microsoft Store. So on your PC, you could also type in the Microsoft Store, open it if you have it pinned. And so we're going to also search there and show you that it's available. So if I type in QuillBot, two L's, you can see right here that it's there. And so you can see that I could click and get and add the QuillBot directly from the Microsoft Store, right? No, this is a similar way to install it on your PC. So you can do this, use this option through the Microsoft Store to install it on your PC, or you can just click and download right here, which is going to download the exe file to your PC, which you can then open and run on your computer. And you will see right here that is currently starting the download process on my computer, and you just want to go ahead and wait for it to finish download and it's going to install. As you can see, it's just 134 megabytes in size, so the download process should be pretty fast. If you have a pretty stable and let's say pretty decent internet connection, it should be pretty fast right there. As you can see, mine is all the way up to 100% in a couple of seconds. And no, it's currently installing on my computer. And you see right away that it pops up, it opens up my browser, it's even loading the app. It says get started. I'm going to just skip for the time being these. And you can see that it says that enable QuillBot in Chrome, which I already have. You can even add it within your Edge as well directly from this app, but I'm going to skip and you can see now that it opens up the desktop application on my PC. So this is QuillBot, and you will be able to use this on your computer, be within other two apps on your computer as well, and so forth. So right here you can see welcome QuillBot. It's showing where it's active because I have it installed on my PC. So you can see that active in WhatsApp, active in Slack, active in Notepad, Word, Outlook, Teams, Chrome, Edge. I can install these too if I want to, but I don't want to because I already have it in Chrome. So it's just like a duplicate. But it's you can see how easy it is, guys, to really get QuillBot on your PC or laptop, especially if you're using a Windows. So depending on whatever device you want, you can get it there. But this is how you can really install QuillBot on your Windows PC or laptop. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. And I'm looking forward to see you in my next video.